your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
A 63-degree air temperature, a dew point of 62. Temperature and dew point are pretty close together. And if there's anything that's in the least bit possible this morning in terms of inclement weather, it might be some very patchy, isolated patchy fog in inland areas, inland areas, particularly to the north, but in inland areas. Watch for that. It won't be thick. It won't be very dense fog, but it could be around. Otherwise, a lot of blue, starry sky out there, and when the sun comes up, we'll have some sunshine throughout the better part of the entire weekend, actually. Maybe a few fair weather clouds coming in from the Atlantic, but nothing really serious. Certainly nothing that's going to produce any rainfall for you this morning. Your morning commute is going to be just wonderful. Northeast wind coming in at about 5, and temperatures across the region pretty much where they were yesterday, actually, with 64 degrees in Wauchula, Arcadia, Myakka coming in at 63, Parrish 64, Bradenton 63, Lakewood Ranch at 64, Longboat Key comes in at 68, Venice at 66, so is Inglewood, Northport at 64, and so is Punta Gorda. Across the United States, if you are traveling today, well, you know, most places are going to be okay. Most of the hubs along the Atlantic seaboard are going to be just fine. And as you head back into the midsection of the country, everything looks pretty good. But right through the Ohio Valley, stretching up to coastal areas of the easternmost Great Lakes, there could be some issues with weather. Also, of course, the Pacific Northwest seeing some showers there. For us here locally, not going to see a whole lot of action, but a little trough will develop over on the Atlantic side, and there'll be some spotty showers along the Atlantic coast. We may catch a little bit of the cloud cover from that, but I don't think we'll see any of the rainfall. We stay dry for the entire weekend, I think. Northeast wind coming in at about 10 to 15 brings you a light chop with 2-foot seas, and the forecast looks great for the next 7 days with daytime highs hovering around the mid-80s to mid-lower 80s. And don't forget, those clocks go back Sunday morning. Back to you guys.